Your Samsung Galaxy is way more powerful than you think, and today I'm showing you 8 hidden features you need to turn on right now. These will boost your privacy, security, and even your creativity. So let's not waste time. Let's level up your phone. Spot hidden trackers around you. Let's start with something super important, detecting unknown trackers. With all the news about AirTags being used for shady stuff like car theft, this one's a must. To turn it on, go to Settings. Safety and Emergency. Scroll down and tap Unknown Tracker Alerts. Turn it on. This feature will warn you if someone slips a tracker on you or your stuff. I actually got a real alert when I accidentally brought my parents' AirTagged luggage home. So yes, this works. Stop thieves from turning off your phone. If your phone gets stolen, the first thing a thief will try is turning it off so you can't track it. But you can password lock the shutdown feature. Here's how. Go to Settings, Lock Screen, tap Secure Lock Settings. Turn on Lock Network and Security. Now, your phone will ask for your password or fingerprint before anyone can power it off. This means you can still locate or wipe it using Samsung's Find My Mobile. Instantly create collages and mini movies. This one's fun and seriously underrated. Make beautiful photo collages or videos right from your gallery. To try it, open the gallery, select a few photos, tap Create Movie. You can edit the length, transitions, and even add background music. There are tons of built-in tracks, or you can use your own. In just a few taps, you've got a highlight reel of your memories. Know if you're really fast charging. Your Galaxy supports super fast charging, up to 45 watt. But not all chargers deliver that speed. Want to know if yours does? Just plug it in. If it says fast charging with a green animation, it's normal fast charging. If it says super fast charging with a blue animation, you're getting the fastest charge possible. If you're not seeing blue, your charger might be too weak. Make sure it supports at least 45 watts. Record videos while playing music. Ever tried to play music while recording video, only for it to stop when you hit record? Here's the fix. Start recording your video, swipe down and hit play on your music again, boom. Now your video will have your music playing in the background. Perfect for vlogs, workouts, or just vibing while filming. Get a wider view without losing quality. Sometimes your main camera feels a bit too zoomed in, right? You switch to ultra wide, but it looks worse in low light. Here's the trick. Open your camera settings. Turn off video stabilization. This removes the crop and gives you a wider view without switching lenses. If you're using a tripod or filming steady shots, this is a game changer. Stop creepy targeted ads. Don't want ads stalking you after you search for a gift or a new bike? Delete your advertising ID. Go to Settings. Security and Privacy. Tap More Privacy Settings. Ads. Hit Delete Advertising ID. That's it. Fewer creepy ads, more peace of mind. If you search again, a new ID will generate, but you can repeat the process anytime. Screen record with your face. Want to show someone how to do something on your phone and include your face like a tutorial? Start a screen recording. During the countdown or once recording starts, tap the little person icon on the toolbar. This will activate your selfie camera bubble. Now, your screen recording will include your voice and your face. Great for walkthroughs, tutorials, or sending tips to family. So those are 8 killer Galaxy features most people don't use, but absolutely should. Let me know in the comments which one blew your mind. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart tips just like this.